Everybody up. Yeah, give them up, yeah. Everybody. Look, yeah, give them up, yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a install for you guys. We're gonna install some AMS downpipe. Got some 3-inch downpipe, brand new. Got bolts in the package from AMS. So big shout out to you guys to getting me these downpipes. So we're gonna install them today, but I just pulled up, so I'm just letting the engine bay cool off a little bit before we install them. Well, yeah guys, before you guys reach any further into the video, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and thank you guys for rocking with me. So there's the cue. So we're going full bolt on. I got the white pipe in the trunk, but that's for another video. So yeah guys, stay tuned and make sure you guys watch the full video of the install if y'all don't know how to install downpipes. So we got all the hardware right here. Okay guys, so right now they're just pulling the bolts under there. They're pulling it. They already pulled on the two on each side already, so they're just pulling the one on the downpipe in the middle right there that holds it together. Okay guys, so right now they're trying to pull the pipes from the top. So they're trying to pull the pipes from the top. Okay guys, so you just pull the two of them out. They're right there. So you're gonna drop in the new one and put on the new one. So you're trying to take the O2 sensors out. So as you can see guys, all of the cats are out. Got the old ones right there. So you just put in the new one. So you just got one side tacked up. So you're gonna do the other side over here. But there's the new downpipes. Full 3-inch exhaust downpipe. Yeah guys, going full bolt on soon. Okay guys, so they just finished up, button it up. I got a ISR white pipe right here. Got ISR, and we got the downpipes on. So we got the downpipes on, and we got the ISR white pipe. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you the first startup with the downpipes and the white pipe.
Get in it.
Huh?